Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials out of the way. Charge or confirm your phone battery and headset power, and clean the VR lenses gently so nothing blurs the image. Once done, remove your phone case and unlock screen rotation. Make sure your device fits the Shinecon tray snugly. Open the VR app and set brightness and screen timeout to avoid interruptions. You'll want headphones ready for audio. This first batch of steps puts you in control and prevents common early hiccups. Now you insert the phone into the Shinecon front tray and lock it in place. Make sure it sits centered so the display aligns with both lenses. You will adjust the interpupillary distance and lens-to-phone spacing until you see one sharp image. Moving slowly helps you notice subtle focus changes. Once aligned, use the VR app's calibration or a test video to verify comfort and clarity and tighten the clips. These careful adjustments are why the headset feels immersive. Finish by placing the Shinecon on your head, adjusting straps so it sits evenly without pinching. You should feel stable and balanced. Next, pair any controller and set audio levels. Make sure the app knows you're in VR mode. If motion sickness or blur appears, stop, remove the headset, recenter the phone in the tray, and readjust IPD and lens distance. This solves most drift or double image problems. If issues persist, reboot the phone and repeat the alignment steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.